We've been living in this neighborhood for a long time. We've seen a lot change.
Well, historic Vine City has been a wonderful community. For some reason, people moved away and it moved into a deplorable condition. But what we're excited about today, the tides have changed and historic Vine City is on the rise.
The Home Depot Foundation is excited today to announce our $6.3 million commitment to the historic Westside. We are here with Team Depot volunteers doing some home repairs for senior residents as well as cleanup and replanting here at Vine City Park.
We've got neighbors who have been living in this community for many years, and the time is great for us to be able to come in and work alongside of them to make the community even better.
There are a lot of residents that have been here all of their lives. Their concern has been, are they going to be pushed out? Are they going to be able to stay here?
I like living here.
My mom, she loved this house. She's been at this house for years, and I've done the best I could to take care of the house. And this is wonderful.
We have created this amazing pop-up market, all free to the residents of the West Side.
To be able to have pop-up shops, volunteers coming out working with the residents, it means a lot.
Thank y'all so much.
We're like a phoenix. We are rising up out of the ashes.
And Home Depot is over here fixing up everything. I couldn't ask for nothing else.
We're excited about the transformation, and the old residents, they'll feel good about living in Vine City.
I'm proud of Home Depot. This is the kind of people we need. This is the kind of people we need, people who care.